I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the analog unit. Note resolution, power type, and BNC output so you pick the right encoder. Next, choose between a hardware video encoder or a capture device that supports H.264/H. 265. This determines image quality and latency. While you buy the encoder, set up your network, allocate a static IP range, confirm PoE availability if you want a single cable solution, and label ports. Once done, power down the camera before disconnecting the BNC. You now mount the encoder and connect the analog BNC to the encoder input, and attach the camera power to the encoder or original adapter. Maintain proper grounding to prevent noise. Then link the encoder's LAN port to your switch and either set a static IP on the device or create a DHCP reservation so it stays discoverable. Open the encoder's web UI and configure the stream. Choose the native resolution, set frame rate and GOP, and pick CBR or VBR bitrate for network stability. You finish by adding the encoder's RTSB or ONVIF stream into your NVR or VMS. Use the exact URL and credentials, then verify live view and scheduled recording. Next, tune image parameters, exposure, white balance, and sharpness, and save profiles for day and night so you keep usable footage. Finally, test motion alerts and remote access. If something goes wrong, check power and BNC/CAT cable integrity. Confirm no IP conflicts, and enable device logs before a factory reset to preserve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.